In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter accrued expenses in QuickBooks Online. Accrued expenses are costs that your business has incurred but hasn't yet paid. Recording these accurately in QuickBooks Online is essential for keeping your financial statements up to date and ensuring you're prepared for reporting periods. Whether this is your first time handling journal entries or you're just looking for a refresher, I'll guide you through each step to make the process simple and clear. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a registration link in the description below to create your account and get started. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the Create menu. To do this, click on the New button located at the top left corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. This will open a drop-down menu with a variety of transaction options. From this menu, select Journal Entry. This is where we'll enter the details for your accrued expense. Now, before you start entering information, make sure that the date field is set correctly. The date should reflect when the expense was incurred. For example, if you're recording payroll expenses for the end of the month, be sure to set the date to the last day of that month, or to the specific day relevant to your reporting period. Next, it's time to add the details of your expense. On the first line of the journal entry, you'll need to choose the appropriate expense account. For example, if this is a payroll-related expense, you would select Payroll Expenses, or another expense category that fits the nature of the cost. Once you've selected the expense account, enter the debit amount for the expense. Remember, debits are used to increase expense accounts. After entering the expense details, we need to account for the corresponding liability. On the next line, select the Accrued Expenses account. This represents the liability your business owes. Enter the credit amount here, ensuring that it matches the total debit amount you entered earlier. This is important because, in accounting, debits and credits must always balance to maintain accurate records. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check that the Accrued Expenses account exists in your chart of accounts. If you find that this account hasn't been created yet, you'll need to set it up as a current liability account. This ensures your liabilities are accurately categorized and properly tracked in QuickBooks Online. Before saving your journal entry, take a moment to carefully review all the details. Verify that the date is correct, that you've selected the appropriate accounts for both the expense and the liability, and that the debit and credit amounts are equal. Attention to these details will help ensure your records are accurate and avoid any issues down the line. Once you've confirmed everything looks good, click Save to record the journal entry. And that's it. You've successfully entered an accrued expense in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.